Sometimes when we have number stories where we're talking about parts, two parts and a whole and a total, what happens is the problem doesn't give us the two parts. So in the homework problem that we just worked on here, this problem gave us the two parts. It told us one part is 30, one part is 25. We had to add them together to get the total. Okay? But sometimes a number will not give us the parts. It might give us a total and a part. Okay? If we get a total and a part, then we have to subtract to get the other part. Okay? Thumbs up, a thumb sideways, or a thumbs down if that makes sense. Okay. So I'm just going to show you how I would do number 4. And then those of you that get to it can work on it on your own. So remember, when we do number stories, we want to read it, then think about it, think about what the problem's asking, plan it, do it, and then we'll check it. So for this one, an alligator clutch had 60 eggs. Only 12 hatched. How many eggs did not hatch? So look at this. Okay, I just read it. I'm thinking about it a little bit. This problem is asking me how many eggs didn't hatch. Okay, I know that in all, the total, there was 60 eggs in there. Okay, so I can write for my total, right here, it's going to be 60. If I make a total, just so you can see. And then, I don't want anyone writing right now. I want you all focused and paying attention, okay? So, my total would be 60. If only 12 hatched, how many eggs did not hatch? Well, this 12 is going to be my part, my first part, one of my parts. This other part here is going to be the number of eggs that did not hatch. Okay? Because both of those together are going to equal 60. So I have to plan out how I would do it. Okay? And I would take 60 and I would subtract 12 to get my other part. Okay? And I will let you guys do that if you get to that point. Then I want to actually do that. Then I want to check it. And how do I know my answer makes sense? Okay, tell how you know that makes sense, and that's exactly what you would write on that line. Okay, so that's number stories, lesson 2.4 of everyday math for grade 3, and it's when we have a total and a part, as opposed to just having two parts in the number stories.